How to find extreme savings mode on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find extreme savings mode on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then just click this Opera icon here, and now click the settings icon, and then just go down until you find here this one, advanced, and click on it, and here you will find extreme savings mode, and you can manage anything you want, of course, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's how to find extreme savings mode on Opera Mini, and that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.